Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, armory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with parking pilot, a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLE has 36,745 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.